Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to download GIF from Pinterest mobile. So basically it works the same on computer too and mobile. So I'm gonna show you on computer, but you can do this on mobile too. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open Pinterest and then simply search for GIFs. And as you can see, all the GIFs have this icon in the top left corner. As you can see, that says that this is a GIF. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open it, and then what you're gonna have to do, so as you can see you have the option to download the image. So simply click on these three dots and then click on download image, and basically that's all you have to do. Now if we go to our downloads, we can see that we have here the penguin. So let me change here this, and as you can see now we have our GIF here. So basically that's all you have to do in order to download GIFs on Pinterest mobile. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.